Assalamualaikum viewers, welcome to Academia Coaches. The topic of my today's lecture is pancreas. Pancreas is an organ of human body which is located in abdomen. Pancreas have both the exocrine and endocrine function. The exocrine function of pancreas is to help in digestion of food by releasing enzymes. And the endocrine function of pancreas is to regulate blood sugar and control the amount of glucose in the blood by releasing hormones directly into the bloodstream. When we see the anatomy of pancreas or the location of pancreas, the pancreas is located behind the stomach in the upper left abdomen. The pancreas is surrounded by other organs like small intestine, this is duodenum, and liver and spleen. And here is the gallbladder. Gallbladder. Several major blood vessels surround the pancreas, like superior mesenteric vein and the superior mesenteric artery and the portal vein and the celiac axis. These are blood vessels like superior mesenteric vein, superior mesenteric artery, celiac axis and portal vein. They supply blood to pancreas and other abdomen organ. After location, when we see the structure of pancreas, it is like a sponge and it is 6 to 10 inches long. It is like a pear or a fish which is extended horizontally across abdomen. The pancreas contains a duct which is known as pancreatic duct. The pancreas contains three parts. First white part is called as head, and head is positioned towards center of abdomen. The central part is known as neck or body, and the thin end which is extended to the left is known as tail. The head of the pancreas acts like a junction where stomach meets first part of small intestine which is known as duodenum. Here the stomach empties the digestive food into the intestine and pancreas releases enzymes for the digestion of food. 95% of the pancreas contain exocrine tissue which have the volume of 95%, and they produce pancreatic enzyme which help in the digestion of food, while the rest part composed of endocrine cells. These are the islet of hunger cell or alpha cells which release glucagon, and these cells are beta cell of endocrine system. They release insulin. and these are the delta cells which secrete somatostatin. The endocrine cells are known as the islet of Langerhans, and these are cluster of Krebs and produce hormones that regulate blood sugar and regulate pancreatic secretion. Thank you so much viewers, and Allah Hafiz. Do not forget to subscribe my channel for latest and more relevant videos. Thank you.